Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. I'm Norhayati Ahmat from Universiti Pendidikan Sultan Idris, Malaysia. I'm going to present a research titled Knowledge, Skill and Attitude of Pre-Service Mathematics Teachers regarding HOT. There are several members in this research team. I will start this presentation with a brief introduction of the research. Higher order thinking skill is the ability to apply knowledge, skills, and values to make reasoning and reflection in solving problems, making decisions, innovative, and able to create something such as new ideas that could be used in a new situation. The education development today craves each student to possess higher order thinking skills since these skills is important for them to face the real life problem. The role of the teachers is very significant in helping students to possess HOTS and ensure that their students are able to apply what they have learned to solve the real life problem. It is vital for the teachers to be knowledgeable about HOTS so that the implementation of HOTS pedagogical could be more effective. This reinforces that teachers and future teachers need to prepare themselves to be able to face the new and challenging education system. Most teachers are still more comfortable using conventional methods to teach, which is more to teacher-centered and make students passive. The findings from the past studies reveal that most of the teachers are still incompetent of various aspects in applying HOTS in teaching and learning mathematics. The low level of implementing HOTS among teachers has been a concern and making it difficult to cultivate HOTS among students in Malaysia. Lack of training and exposure to HOTS is the reason for teachers' inability to implement HOTS. Teachers also claim they have lack of exposure about HOTS while they were taking education courses in the teaching institutes or universities. In line with current needs in education, the teacher education program should prepare pre-service teachers with HOTS. The objective of this research are to identify the level of knowledge, skills and attitude of pre-service mathematics teachers at Universiti Pendidikan Sultan Idris UPSI regarding HOTS. The second objective is to determine whether the pre-service mathematics teachers in UPSI are exposed to HOTS through the teaching courses, and the last objective is to determine the relationship of the exposure to HOTS through the teaching courses of pre-service mathematics teachers at UPSI and their level of knowledge, skills and attitude regarding HOTS. This research is a quantitative research where descriptive and inferential statistics were used to analyze data. A survey method was used in this research. A set of questionnaire with Likert scale of 4 alternatives was distributed to pre-service mathematics teachers. And the population of this research consists of semester 3 until semester 8 pre-service mathematics teachers from 2 programs offered by UPSI, which are Bachelor of Education Mathematics with Honours 8014 and Bachelor of Science Mathematics with Education 8048. Pre-service mathematics teachers from semester 1 and semester 2 were excluded since they are exposed to only 8 courses in semester 1 and 7 courses in semester 2. Overall, the population of this research is 733 pre-service mathematics teachers from both programs, and this research only took 110 pre-service mathematics teachers as the research sample by using a simple random sampling method. After analyzing the data obtained from the questionnaire, result is then compiled and summarized. The finding on the level of knowledge regarding HOTS are shown in this table. Knowledge regarding the concept of implementing HOTS and the importance of HOTS show high mean scores compared to knowledge regarding how to increase students' HOTS and knowledge on various strategies and techniques to implement HOTS. The knowledge regarding HOTS among pre-service mathematics teachers was moderate, with an average score mean of 3.00. This table shows the results of level of skills regarding HOTS. The skills in using various strategies to integrate HOTS in teaching and learning mathematics and integrating HOTS in mathematics question is relatively low compared to skills in encouraging students to think and in providing illustrative examples. The skill regarding HOTS among pre-survey mathematics teachers were moderate, with an average mean score of 2.99. The research findings on the level of attitude regarding HOTS are shown in this table. The attitude regarding HOTS in terms of like to relate problems in everyday life to mathematics question and to encourage students making conclusions about what they have learned showed the highest mean score compared to the to like students asking difficult questions during class and encourage students to solve non-routine mathematics questions. Overall, the attitude regarding HOTS among pre-service mathematics teachers was high, with an average mean score of 3.37. The table in this slide shows the level of exposure to HOTS among pre-service mathematics teachers. The exposure to teach HOTS through the minor courses had lower mean score compared to the exposure to various thinking tools and the importance of HOTS. The exposure to HOTS through the teaching courses among pre-service mathematics teachers could be considered slightly high, with an average mean score of 3.01. The finding on the relationship between the level of exposure to HOTS through the teaching courses and the level of knowledge, skills, and attitude regarding HOTS are shown in this table. There is a high positive relationship between the average mean score on the level of exposure to HOTS through the teaching courses and the average mean score of the level of knowledge and skills regarding HOTS among pre-service mathematics teachers in UPSI, while the average mean score of the level of exposure to HOTS through the teaching courses and the average mean score of the level of attitude regarding HOTS has a moderate positive relationship. Conclusion for this research is HOTS among Malaysian teachers is still weak due to a low level of readiness to implement HOTS. Therefore, every initiative must be taken to ensure that teachers are ready to implement HOTS. Pre-survey mathematics teachers in UPSI support and realize the benefit of the implementation of HOTS, but they need more time and training to improve their knowledge and skills in effectively and comprehensively method. Pre-service mathematics teachers still need to be exposed to HOTS through teaching courses in UPSI to further enhance their knowledge and skills regarding HOTS, as the level of exposure to HOTS is still at par, even being classified as high. That's all about the research. Thank you.